cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be
The
natural. I
infamous.
ain't looking tacky, cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon, and I'm still on top. Hey guys, and welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs. And today we're going to be doing a bust down twist out. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I am doing in this video, then please stay tuned. But I am starting off on already twisted hair. I think my hair has been twisted for about 3 or 4 days. And I want to start off by doing my edges. So I'm just spraying some warm water on my edges and on the nape of my neck just to get the process started. So now we're going to follow up with this Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream. And I'm going to put that on my edges as well, just to give them some protection. This is an optional step. Do your edges however you normally do them, but this is how I do mine to keep them protected. Once I'm done rubbing this in, I'm going to follow up with this Blue Magic Originals with the Shea Butter, jojoba oil, and Japanese green tea leaves. I'm just showing you guys the consistency for those of you who don't know, may not know what grease is. So I'm just going to layer this on my edges and the nape area. And then I'm going to follow up with this Style Factor Edge Booster just to lock and seal everything in place as far as the edges are concerned. And once we put this on, I'm going to follow up with the headband just to lay everything down and keep everything going back. That's just something I like to do from time to time. So now that we have that headband on, I'm going to use my toothbrush to give me a little bit of swoopage. You can use whatever edge tool you would like to use, but I like to use my soft bristle toothbrush because it is the softest thing I think for my edges. So that's what I'm doing on this clip. It's just adding a little swoopage just to give it some dimension and a well put together look. Now I'm going to take this Blue Magic and add it to my hands and fingers just so that I'm able to take down these twists without too much frizz, which I really don't mind frizz because to me it makes my hair look fuller. But if you don't want a lot of frizz, then you need to add some type of oil or some type of heat protectant or something to your hands to actually keep the frizz at a minimum. So I'm just unraveling these twists just one time for now, and then I'll proceed on with unraveling more and separating more for the desired look that I'm going for. So do as you wish on this particular step, but this is what I'm doing today for this bust down. And right here, I'm just continuing the process of separating these curls. And I did want to let you guys know what it actually means when I say bust down, because the hair is parted straight down the middle. I normally don't wear my hair like this, but since I am today, I'm calling it the bust down, straight down the middle part for this particular twist out. So I'm just trying to see, how this look would look on me. So yeah, it's just a bust down the middle of your furrow, and then you rock it. Next, I'll be trying to bang, because I feel like since my hair is a looser texture at the front top area, then maybe I should try doing a bang. So that'll be the next twist out that I do, while I'm actually trying to rock a bang. But yeah, now I'm just picking out the roots, trying to get this hair to get some type of shape and dimension. I don't know. I'm just going for a look, guys. Technically, I don't really care about all of that, but it is what it is. So yeah. So yeah, guys, this is the final look of this bust down twist out. I do want to thank you all for stopping by today. I really appreciate your time and energy. I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace and love. And as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady D.
Ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
Ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so faboo, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, fucking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is cheering on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffoons. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous witches wanna combat me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends, and I look like $1 trillion. Lady, we won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust, and beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the bud, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough, just pretend I'm from Morocco. Organ all up in my hair, cause I let my locks grow naturally. My curls popping everywhere, I'm maximizing on this natural thing. Like it or not, I don't care, you clowns ain't about to worry me.